Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to view and upload company documents in the company profile on Scheduley App. Once you log into Scheduley App, you will be taken to the home screen. Click the Profile tab at the bottom right corner. In the Profile tab, click Edit Your Profile and select Company Documents. Here you will be taken to all the required company documents. These include commercial licenses, IBAN, Memorandum of Association, ID of Authorization, and Signature Approval. Click the Upload button under each file to upload their respective documents. You can delete the uploaded document by using the red Delete button. Once done, click the Save button. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.